So now let's see how we can utilize different invert methods inside of GIMP. So in order to invert out images, I'm going to go around over here and open up an image first. I'm just going to go around over here and open out this image. So now in order to invert out the colors or invert the image, you need to go around onto the colors menu right here. And there are three inverts over here, as you can see right here. The first invert is here, which inverts out the colors, as you can see right here, which makes it like a negative real. Click on invert again, and then it becomes positive. Then you got the linear invert right here, as you can see right here, which allows the darker parts to be more brighter. And you can see that the sky is more darker right here. If I were to go around linear invert, it goes back again right here. Then you got the value invert right here, as you can see right here, where the bright part becomes really dark right here, and so forth. So there's three types of inverts, as you can see right here, just like this. So let me just press Ctrl Z, and this is what you have. So if I were to go for invert right here and invert it out again with another color right here, you can see that you get some sort of a different effect right here, just like this. You can go around and invert this out as well, just like this. So let's just go around onto linear invert right here. Then you can also go for invert right here, just like this. Then you can see that I can go around and mix up the inverts right here, just like this, to get different effects as well. So that is how you can go around and invert out the colors of the images in different ways as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.